I found the pea. Oh my gosh. I found it. Oh my gosh, no. It's so good. Ooh, we're just gonna go with it. We don't know what we're gonna go with, but we're gonna go with it. Why am I doing it off camera? Oh my gosh, I'm so rusty, friends. Friends, I'm gonna need you to forget that you saw this too, okay? Grab your stuff and you're just... I messed up, friends. Oh, friends, I pulled them all out. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find a little bowl. They're falling! Friends, so I was sitting in the living room, junking it out, eating a whole bunch of junk food because I'm hormonal right now. So I came in the kitchen to grab more junk. And then I saw this. My husband left this cereal bag on the counter. I was gonna put it in the trash, but then I was like, wait a minute. I think we can do something with this. So let's head to the craft room. I'm gonna call it the playroom. Okay. Oh, friends, look. I got a new printer. I can't wait for us to open it. I get rid of this stuff if we're gonna play. The desk is not that bad. All right, let's get a little tidy up in here. I'm not gonna lie, friends. I was not going to film because I'm hormonal. Why can't I say that word right now? Hormonal, and I just don't look like myself to me. I go through this every single month. So I was like, oh my gosh, I don't feel pretty. I don't feel like myself. But you know what? I'm showing up anyway because it's not about that. So we're gonna play, right? Why am I in this little cubby hole? So let's get a little organized and then we're gonna play. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my gosh, these are so yummy, friends. Oh, I love them. Hormonal snacks. I think first things first, friends. We're gonna cut this up. We're gonna sanitize it, and then we're gonna see where to go from there. I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know if it's gonna be a win or a fail, but we're gonna find out together. Okay, I'm thinking we can grab some paint, right? Some stamps. That's where my mind is going right now. We have some stamps. Okay, so we have some stuff to play with. And we have our handy dandy cereal bag. Let's look what we're working with, friends. Let's look at what we're working with. We have all these yummy, fun things to play with. Let's do it. Okay, friends, so we're doing this in real time. I'm gonna cut the bag. Ooh, let me make sure I'm doing it at the seam. So there's a seam right here. Ooh, go slow, go easy. Why am I doing it off camera? Oh my gosh, I'm so rusty, friends. I was doing it down here. Okay, so I just pretty much open that bad boy up. Look at this. We have so much to work with. So now let's clean it. Let's clean it up. A little alcohol. Beautiful. Now it's all clean on the inside, and we're gonna get it clean on the outside. Beautiful. Okay. So now what, friends? My creative brain wants to do something. I just don't know what it wants to do. So I have my scissors. I did find this piece on the table. It was from my... I'm gonna put it in the description bar. I did these on the channel. So I did find a piece of this and I was like, ooh, I don't know. Wait a minute. Oh, friends. Okay. I like the way, so I'm looking at it through this and I actually like the way that looks, but it's too noisy. I was thinking journal cover, but it's a little too noisy. So here's where my brain is going with it. I'm thinking throw some paint on it. That's my favorite thing to do, so I'm gonna go with that. I bought these for a haul. It's coming up, so I'm gonna need you to pretend like you didn't see them, okay, friends? You didn't see them. You see? They're brand new. I haven't even opened them. Look at that, the plastic is still on. But you didn't see that, friends. Okay. We're just gonna go with it. We don't know what we're gonna go with, but we're gonna go with it. Friends, it's a beautiful day to be alive. I don't know how you're feeling today, but I just want to say, whether you're feeling pretty or not, like myself, if you're not feeling pretty today, if you're not feeling like yourself today, if you're just not feeling it today, it is still a beautiful day to be alive. It really is. And I think we should just show up regardless of how we feel, you know? Sometimes our feelings can lead us astray. And today I wasn't going to do this because I'm like, I don't feel pretty. My face is inflated because of my hormones, being a woman. But we just got to show up. So far, so good, friends. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're just going to move fast because I don't like to think about stuff. The minute I start to think about stuff, it just goes crazy. We're gonna mix the colors here because I want. Oh, I'm liking that already. Okay, so we're gonna leave this part like this. We don't want to do too much of one thing, right? I like that. So let's. Okay, so ooh, friends, I did get. This is another part of my. Friends, I'm gonna need you to forget that you saw this too, okay? Because this is another part of a haul that I have coming up. This is some black ink. This is from Mindless Crafting. I bought one from them before and I lost it. I don't know how you lose a stamp pad, but I did. And oh my gosh, I fell in love with it when I used it. And so I went ham and bought a few. So I'll be doing a haul. Okay, so what I want to do, because I'm realizing this thing is wet, and it might take a long time to dry. Oh, wait, maybe we can, ooh, I'm liking this. Ooh, okay, we're just gonna play. We're just gonna play. Yeah, we're just gonna play, friends. So far, look what we're working with. So pretty. So it's dry. It's dry. So, ooh, I'm wiping some of it off. You're seeing this in real time. It's like, this is what happens when you're just creating no plans. I didn't want to have to plan it out, figure it out first. I just wanted to play. Earlier this year, I came up with this idea called Whimsy Play. And it was pretty much this, where I wanted to come on camera. If I had an idea on the whim, I wanted to just grab my toys and play. So maybe this might be the first video. I don't know. Since January, I had this idea, and here we are in October, but it's never too late, right? It's never too late. Okay, friends, let's go. Let's go and play. So I have here a key. Let's add that key. This actually reminds me of an idea. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of something I did last year when I started the channel. I still haven't posted that tutorial. It's in my shorts. This reminds me very much of it. And you know what? Since I'm doing this, I'm gonna do it soon. And I probably use the same colors because that's what I do. I love my colors, my mermaid colors. Okay, friends, so I see what's happening here, right? It's cute. It's really cute. It's so cute. So I'm just stamping all over the place. So far, this is what we have, right? So remember this? It was like a Walmart haul. Oh boy. So we're just gonna grab some random, we're not gonna make words. We're not gonna create words. We're just grabbing. They're big. I like them. They're nice and big. Wow. How cool is, I'm showing myself. Friends, I am rusty. So that's an F, right? So we're just grabbing some big old letters and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think it's gonna be pretty nice. I love this ink. It is so good. Ooh. Okay. B. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should put words. Oh my gosh. I'm just being lazy right now. Oh, maybe I should put words. I just didn't want to pull them out. Oh no, you see, this is what I didn't want to happen, friends. Okay, let's look for a happy. Okay, there's A. Oh, friends, this is what I do for you. Oh, I'm making a mess. You gotta promise me you're gonna stay with me at the end of this video to clean this mess, friends. You can't leave me hanging. All right. Oh, I pulled them out, friends. I pulled them out. Oh boy. We want happy. So we got the Y. We got the... Where's the P, friends? Friends, where's the P? So we got the B. We got the... I did not want this. Be happy. Where's the Y? Where's the P? I don't know what I'm looking for anymore. Okay, P. Did the P fall? Did the P fall? The D fell. Where's the P? Oh, friends, I pulled them all out. I'm gonna... Oh, no, friends, no. Oh, I found the B. Oh, my gosh. I found it. Okay, B. Yay. It's like you're over here with me and we're just hanging out. We're just having a good time. You know, we're just hanging out, friends. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. This is what whimsy play is about. I'm just playing. The way my brain works, I just gotta play. I gotta be free. Oh, be happy. Look at that, friends. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, friends, let's go. Why am I saying let's go? Pancake, this is your fault. Pancake is a YouTuber who's always saying, let's go. Okay, so be happy. That's the... Ooh, and I like that I put the keys around it, right? Because it's like, that's the key to life. Be happy. Yes. Okay, I like that. I like that. Let's add some more butterflies. We don't know what we're doing, but at least we're doing. At least we're doing something. That's the thing, friends. When we don't feel like showing up, when we just don't know what to do, we just have to do. Is that a word? Is that a word? We just have to do. Just do it. Just play. I think this is going to be the introduction of whimsy play because, yeah, that's what it's about. Okay, so we have that, right? So now let's cut it. Let's cut it. So let's add a little more color because it's just pink in that area, right? This is another part of the haul that you did not see. So friends, we are just relaxing. You're sitting across from me. You came over and we are just having a good old time. You're just sitting here in my little craft space with me and we are just playing. I hope you grab your stuff and you're just... I messed up, friends. Oh my gosh, no. The butterfly. Okay, we're gonna cut around it. We're not gonna think about it. If we think about it, we're gonna get discouraged. All right, here we go. Okay, so my scissors, I couldn't find my real scissors. Of course not, because I'm filming. So we're just gonna do this. This may very well be a fail. So bear with me here. Ooh. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, friends. So far, this is what we have. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we are gonna do something with it, okay? Even if that's it, that's good enough, right? It doesn't always have to be like this big production. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Please stay tuned for part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a very long video. And please remember, you matter, you are loved, and make your life a masterpiece. Until next time, bye!